Hi everyone and welcome back to another card making video. I'm back with my crafty friends from the Lawn Fawn Fans Hop with a fun Valentine project. There's also a giveaway involved. You can win a $25 gift card to spend on the Lawn Fawn website. To have a chance of winning the prize, all you have to do is hop along with all the videos, leave a comment and say something nice about the project you see in the video. You can find every next video in the description. Well, let's start creating. As always, I start with coloring my images. If you want to skip watching me color, you can skip to the time that pop-ups on the screen now. You can also find the clickable time link in the description. I use my Copic markers for the coloring and I put the color number on the left of my paper so you know which color number I use. The image is from the ZEST and is stamped out 4 times. I like to stamp them in my MISTI. This way I can stamp multiple times till I have a nice crisp impression. I use the Lawn Fawn jet black ink because that is Copic safe. If you want more details on any supply I used during the video, be sure to check out the blog post I linked in the description to learn more about that. After the coloring, I'm adding highlights with a white gel pen. I die cut the images off screen. For this card I used 2 different papers from the Really Rainbow Petite Paper pack. I used the 4 square backdrop, the portrait version, on a striped rainbow paper from the pack. With the quilted heart backdrop, also the portrait version, I cut a purple striped paper from the pack. Then I cut some copper metallic paper to the size of the backdrops. Out of the same metallic paper, I cut the letters to form ZEST with the Oliver stitched ABCs. Next up is brushing some baby powder on a piece of black cardstock to make it anti-static for heat embossing. I stamp the sentiment with clear embossing ink and sprinkle on some white embossing powder and tap the excess off. Then, with a preheated heat gun, I melt the powder to set it. When it's cooled down, I wipe off the excess baby powder with a microfiber cloth. With the smallest everyday sentiment banner, I'm cutting out the sentiment. I made a top fold craft paper card base. It's now time to assemble all the layers. I first glue the quilted heart backdrop onto the metallic copper paper. Then I add the 4 square frame on top of that. With the help of my ATG gun, I adhere the whole sandwich to the card base. Now it's time to lay down all the elements before I glue them on. I mark off the sentiment banner so I know where to cut it, so it has the right size. Then I glue on all the letters starting at the T and move on to the left till everything, including the banner, is glued down. Last thing to do is adding the lemons and limes to the card using some tin foam tape to give them a little bit of dimension. And with that, my card is finished. I love how cute this card turned out. It's great for Valentine's, but it's also great for a friendship or thank you card. The different layers make it look super cute and special, but it's not too much work, which is great for mass producing if you want to. Thank you for watching my video and joining the Lawn Fawn Fans Hop. Don't forget to leave a comment below and hop along to the next video you can find in the description for a chance to win a prize. I also hope I inspired you with my video and that you feel inspired to get crafty as well. If so, please consider leaving a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel and ringing the bell to receive a notification when a new video is up. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!